Also back in the day, people used to use a lot of grease in them ear. And now these days people will tell you say, oh, no use all of that, the grease, no use oil in your ear and the whole 9 yard. Cause they know everything, right? And funny sometimes the people them back in the day, you would have wonder how them hair so strong. And how them hair look so healthy and shine and hard for damage and everything. So yeah, grease is good. Grease is good sometimes. You just have to know how to balance it with the other stuff them where you use. And sometimes people will buy all of the most expensive hair treatment and hair product for them hair because when them hair are sip on TV that advertise it gonna make your hair do this, make it have less breakage, and all of them something there. And you buy all of them things there and like, work. But sometimes you have to go back to your roots, man, or go back old school. Because old school never fail. I don't know what I'm going with the front right, because I don't know what I'm going with it. But I don't really blow it out all the way. Some people blow them hair, make it seem like it press. And at that time your hair get damaged. But because I'm going to do the plait, so I kind of have to get it straight in a way. So yeah, like a big mess right now, but oh well. So I don't really know how I go park the back part of my head. I really don't know. Because I can't see nothing going around this, so see some big old granny platter come through. But yeah, I'm going to try my best and see what I can do.